हाय फ्रेंड्स, गुड इवनिंग. माय नेम इज़ संजय भल्ला. आई एम फ्रॉम द वे वीवर फार्म्स. आज हम एक इम्पॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट के बारे में बात करेंगे, ग्लूटेन. ग्लूटेन इंटॉलरेंसी बड़ी कॉमन हो चुकी है आजकल, और जैसे डॉक्टर्स या न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट एडवाइस करते हैं कि आप यू गो ऑफ व्हीट, आप गेहूं को बिल्कुल छोड़ दीजिए, बिकॉज ऑफ जो ग्लूटेन है उससे आपको इंटॉलरेंसी आ गई है. कभी आपने ध्यान दिया कि ये इंटॉलरेंसी ज़रूरी नहीं कि ग्लूटेन से आ रही हो सकता है ये इंटॉलरेंसी आपकी पेस्टिसाइड से आ रही हो, जो गेहूं में आ गई है, बिकॉज देयर इज़ अ रैम्पेंट यूज़ ऑफ पेस्टिसाइड्स, केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स इन ग्रोइंग व्हीट. तो उसकी वजह से भी आपको ये इंटॉलरेंसी डेवलप हो सकती है. दूसरा, हम लोग जिस तरीके से गेहूं खाते हैं आजकल, और गेहूं जो बाज़ार में कमर्शियल होता है वो फ्रेशली ग्राउंड नहीं होता, वो 2-3 महीने की एक्सपायरी डेट के साथ आता है. दैट मीन्स इट हैज़ गॉट प्रिजर्वेटिव्स. सो दैट प्रिजर्वेटिव्स आर ऑल्सो केमिकल्स. सो दीज टू ways of entering chemicals into your wheat could be the root cause of any allergies, which is intolerancy. Thirdly, how we eat also has changed. We are not putting much of butter or ghee on our rotis. So you put that to a certain extent, it will help you also reduce the glycemic index of the wheat from 70 to 29 when you put any good fat on it. So anyway, the point here is, why should you deprive yourself of so much of fun? It's winter timings, you should be eating prantas and blah 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 and enjoying and relishing the real natural foods, but you are depriving yourself of that fun and pleasure and the joy. So उसके लिए एक छोटा सा solution है, suggestion समझिए. जैसे गेहूं है, हम लोग जो गेहूं आपको देते हैं वो फ्रेशली ग्राउंड होता है, ऑर्गेनिकली ग्रोन होता है, और जैसे हमने पहले बोला, हमारी एडवाइस है आप इसको मक्खन या घी के साथ खाइए. In all probability, you will have a very good chance of being tolerant to it. So no harm in trying. Another thing is, another way of getting around your gluten intolerancy, because आपके अंदर इतना pesticide या इतने चला गया है कि you're not taking to normal wheat so easily. So start mixing wheat with different atas. For example, this is roasted black chana atta. Again, freshly ground. और सारे आटे हम फ्रेशली ग्राउंड करके आपके पास लाते हैं. तो 80% ये, 20% ये मिक्स करके खाइए. यू इंक्रीज द न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू ऑफ योर रोटी ऑल्सो, एंड प्लस देर इज लेस चांसेस ऑफ यू गेटिंग intolerant to this combination. So friends, then there is black chana atta, there is jowar atta, there is makki ki roti, there is barley atta, there is a multigrain atta, there is ragi atta. So these are different attas you must try, but do not deprive yourself of attas. Do not deprive yourself of rotis. Another thing, another very important thing I'm going to add to this is how to make it more interesting and more nutritionally rich, your roti that is, whether you're making from wheat flour or you're making from a combination, a blend of 2-3 flours. You should use, say, moringa powder or a tulsi powder or even a neem powder, which is not here right now. We finished with our stocks. We produce these plant powders ourselves. Idea is, when you make your roti flat after kneading your dough, then you should sprinkle these powders, so you get the nutrition in a very natural way. So these are good suggestions. And also, not to forget our superfood, makhan. You must use this makhan, because what does makhan do? Most vitamins are fat soluble, so it makes a lot of nutrition bioavailable to your body. What fun you're eating something. I mean, there's no fun if you're eating something and it's not getting available to your body. It is not getting absorbed by your body. So these are all old ways of eating things which we did so right, and now we're getting back to those old ways, and science has also proven that. So fat soluble vitamins and other nutrients are easily bioavailable when you eat with makhan or ghee. So friends, relish your muli ka paranthas, aloo ka paranthas made out of our wheat, and without any hesitation. Believe me, it's not junk food, it's real healthy food. And you can order on the Way Weaver, and we bring to your doorstep in Delhi NCR. And of course, we send it by courier pan India, because these are non-perishable items. And hoping to hear from you guys. Have a good day. Thank you.